If you have been thinking about selling on eBay or any other platform and buying products wholesale to resell them, then you need to watch this entire video, because I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on the best way to get quotes from Alibaba. And once you get your quotes, you can then decide if the product's profitable for you or not. Alibaba is the place where most people go for their wholesale products. It's mostly famous for Amazon people who do private labeling, so they buy 1,000 of one item, put their own brand on there, have it shipped over to Amazon, and then they resell it. But you can actually buy wholesale products. So for example, just look at this random product I'm clicking over here. What is this little thing? I don't know, whatever it is. It's a portable nebulizer. I don't know what a nebulizer is, but you can buy this nebulizer, and if you buy between 1 and 99 pieces, it's $10.50 per unit, and plus you're going to be paying delivery. So what I'm going to be showing you is, say for example, you do your product research on eBay, and if you've done product research, if you're watching this as the free wholesale course, then I already show you how to do product research, and now I'm going to be showing you how to get quotes for these products. If you haven't downloaded the free course, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. So say for example, this is a product here that we recently looked at. It's selling on eBay for £5.55, and we want to go and get a quote for this product on Alibaba, and it's pretty simple. All you do is you go over to eBay, you click on save image, and you save this image. You could do this the same for any other platform. So if you're looking on reselling on Shopify or anywhere else and you want to buy products wholesale, then keep watching this video. So what you're going to do is you go over to Alibaba, the main page, and then see this little button here where it says search by image. You're going to click on that, and you go to click on upload image, and you're going to upload the image that you just downloaded. So there you go. And as you can see, now it's showing you multiple suppliers who are selling this product. And what you're really going to be doing is you're going to be contacting 5 to 10 suppliers to sell this product. A couple of the things that you're going to be looking out for is how long they've been selling for. I would say only look at sellers that have sold for a bare minimum of 3 years. So it shows here 11 years, 3 years, 10 years, 5 years. Also, what I do want to mention is that you want to make sure that they've got these 2 badges over here. So you want to make sure that the sellers have Alibaba trade assurance. And what you're going to do is you're just going to open up 5 to 10 links. Okay, so there's Yiwu Fashion Guide, there's Tianjin, there's Yiwu Blues, there's Dongguan, and so on. So you get the idea. So what you're going to do is you're going to contact multiple suppliers. So what I do have is I'm going to leave a link to this in the description of this video. This is a free Google Doc that you can go ahead and download. Once you download it, then you can edit it with your own details. So I'll read it out to you, and then you'll see exactly how this is going to work, because this is a template that you're going to be able to use to contact suppliers. I'm giving you guys a free template, so I'd appreciate, at least in return, you can go ahead and smash a like on this video. So it says, hello, my name is Joe Blogs, put your name on there, and I sell electronics. So in this instance, you can put I sell jewelry items. The things that you need to change are in red on my online store in the UK. So if you're based in the US, you're going to go ahead and change that to USA. My products are similar to these Bluetooth earbuds. So in this instance, you're going to put bracelet. This product will sell well on my store, blah, blah, blah. If there is any profit, I can place an order as soon as possible. And then you write how much for 50 pieces. How much will the total delivery cost to UK be, either by UPS, FedEx, DHL, postcode. Provide your postcode, but obviously for United States, you're going to put what's relevant for US. And instead of postcode, you're going to put zip code. And you're going to give what's an estimate delivery time. Do you have an Alibaba trader assurance? And please, can you provide me the length, width, height, and weight of a single package of this item so that I can calculate how much it will cost to ship this product out to my customers? What you want to do is you want to send this relevant template to 5 to 10 suppliers. There's something that you should take into account when you are requesting quotes on products. Think of products when they are small and lightweight. It's easy for these suppliers to send them out by air, so you can have the items delivered to you within 5 to 10 business days, pretty fast, right? Because it's going to be sent out by email and it's going to be fairly cheap. But if you start looking at larger, bulkier items or even heavy items, airmail gets pretty expensive, and then you're going to have to request for the item to be shipped by sea. Now, when you request for items to be shipped by sea, it's not worth it if you're only going to be ordering a small amount. You're going to have to order larger quantities. So always bear that in mind. So what you're going to do is you're just going to copy this template, and then you're going to go to the supplier, and then you're going to click on contact supplier and see where it says quantity. You're going to put 100 pieces, and then you're going to paste it in that little template that you've created, and then you're going to click send inquiry now. And that's all you got to do. Although Alibaba is great, it does have a few things that experienced sellers understand. The Alibaba itself is a platform, and then you will actually find that sometimes products are not the cheapest place to get products wholesale from China. More experienced wholesale buyers, they actually use agents. If you click on the video that you see on the screen right now, you will see a better alternative to Alibaba, and you can get products mostly cheaper and shipped out to you faster. Click on this video to see how that can be done.